Good morning, classmates. I am Yana Martin Banana.
Okay, Yana, can you tell Mama what are the five senses of human beings? Okay, what is number one?
Eyes for guys, nose for smell,
Okay. What is number three?
tongue for taste,
What is number four?
for ears for hearing,
What is number five?
hands for touch.
Yana Maxine, sabihin mo ulit sa akin kung ano ang limang pandama.
Pagin, amoy, panlasa, panginig, panawit, pagkama.
Magbigay ng tatlong halimbawa na nagsisimula sa titik A.
Aputakaw, palaya, akyat, bicycle and judgment,